Good night, dear mates and tutor. My name is Catherine Lizana Alvarez. This is December 11th of the year of 2020, and my tutor's name is Ingrid Tatiana Gomez. This is step 6, prepare technology negotiations. Definition of the intellectual property involved and its protection. The primary recommendation that is made to the Colombian software company is that it register its intellectual property in the form of a patent, since according to what was stated by Ryder and McHavan 2014, it is the way protection to intellectual property most used by software development companies to prevent other companies from using the same idea for the development of their applications to protect your IP from your unauthorized copies, to obtain rights to license agreements with other companies and get the best return on research and development costs invested on the software. This type of IP will ensure la Compañía de Software Colombia S.A. the possibility of generating income from the use of its software from large organizations, and in addition of the possibility of expand and protect its IP internationally by registering the figure in a patent. In this way, you can have full control over development use, applications, territories, and use of the software. The value method used to establish the price and the reasons of selection is the income valuation method. In the case of the given software development company, it is estimated that the best valuation method is the income method, because in this way, and according to what was proposed by Medellin and Arellano 2019, this method is the most used in assess the technology, since it not only collects the information that exists in the market on similar technologies, but also it is possible to obtain knowledge of the possible licenses and know the different marketing channels that help to promote the product. Finally, general conditions for the licenses. The licenses agreement will be granted to the rights of the patent that the Colombian software company owns by granting the license rights. These rights will be issued under the agreement for the use of software developed to cover the business needs and companies belonging in any commercial sector that need constant monitoring and their productive indicators, and more control over their organizational process. In addition, the license must have two payments: for royalties and a payment at the beginning of the license for process and acquiring the component and to get it. These are the references I used to make the recommendations. Thank you all.